Living in Fleming Island, Florida, means enjoying a warm, coastal climate with lush landscapes and plenty of sunshine. But as many homeowners know, the same humid environment that makes the area so inviting can also create challenges inside your home. One of the biggest concerns? Excess humidity and mold growth. Outdated or inefficient windows often play a major role in these issues. By upgrading to modern replacement windows, Fleming Island residents can significantly reduce indoor humidity, protect against mold, and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable living space. How old windows contribute to humidity problems? Older windows were not designed with today's technology in mind, and over time, wear and tear make them even less effective at keeping moisture out. Common issues include leaky seals. Broken or worn-out seals let humid outdoor air seep into your home. Condensation buildup. Single-pane glass or damaged insulating layers encourage moisture to collect on surfaces. Warped frames. Wooden frames exposed to years of humidity may rot, swell, and hold onto moisture. Drafts. Gaps around old windows allow air and moisture to freely enter your living space. All of these factors combine to raise indoor humidity, creating the perfect environment for mold growth. The connection between humidity and mold thrives in warm, damp spaces. When condensation forms on glass or moisture lingers around window frames, mold spores quickly take hold. Over time, this can lead to structural damage. Mold weakens walls, sills, and frames. Unpleasant odors. A musty smell that's hard to eliminate. Health concerns. Mold exposure can trigger allergies, asthma, and respiratory issues for family members. Preventing humidity buildup is one of the most effective ways to stop mold before it starts, and replacement windows are a key part of that solution. How replacement windows reduce humidity? Modern replacement windows are built with features that specifically address moisture problems in humid climates like Fleming Island. Insulated glass double or triple pane windows with insulating gas layers minimize temperature differences between indoors and outdoors. This reduces condensation on the glass, lowering the chances of mold forming. Low E coatings. Low emissivity coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light inside. By keeping glass surfaces at a more stable temperature, low E coatings prevent condensation and improve energy efficiency. Airtight seals and frames. Advanced weather stripping and precision-engineered frames block humid air from entering your home, reducing overall indoor moisture levels. Moisture-resistant materials. Frames made from vinyl or fiberglass don't absorb water like older wood frames, making them more resistant to mold and rot. Additional benefits for Fleming Island homes. While mold prevention is a major advantage, replacement windows bring several other perks for homeowners. Energy savings. Better insulation reduces strain on your air conditioning system during hot, humid summers. Improved comfort. No more drafts or hot spots near windows. UV protection. Modern windows block harmful rays that fade furniture and flooring. Curb appeal. Sleek, updated designs enhance the look of your home inside and out. Increased value. Buyers are drawn to homes with efficient, healthy living features. These benefits make window replacement an investment that pays off in multiple ways. Why professional installation is essential. Even the best windows won't reduce humidity or mold risks if they aren't installed properly. A professional installation ensures tight, secure seals to keep moisture out. Proper fit and alignment for long-term performance. Compliance with Florida building standards, including impact resistance where required. Local Fleming Island experts understand the challenges of humid, coastal living and can recommend the best products for lasting results. Final thoughts for Fleming Island homeowners. Humidity and mold are ongoing challenges. Outdated windows often make the problem worse, but replacing them with modern, moisture-resistant designs can provide long-term relief. With insulated glass, low E coatings, airtight seals, and durable frames, Replacement windows protect your home from excess moisture while also improving comfort, efficiency, and style. By working with trusted professionals, you can enjoy a healthier home environment and the peace of mind that comes with knowing your family and property are protected from humidity and mold.